Hey guys, what's up? I've just been goonin and poonin, as in harpoonin, large women to Alright, can we redo that? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Retards
Another
Play.
day, another banger!
Another
It's actually
banger.
Fangs Corner.
It's actually Shrike's Corner, and then there are two other retards here. No one knows who you guys
Hello.
are. We're playing Ultimate Nigga Horse. IGN reviews Ultimate Chicken Horse. Not enough black representation. Needs more monkey care.
Hey, we'll have gay sex right here.
I'm burning.
Why is it zooming in?
Burning.
You guys make me so horny.
Whoa.
Yeah, you make me a giggly little.
You make me a giggly little goon clown.
Don't ever say those words again, Joey. I watched that Deadwing Dork video today. Fuck that.
Yeah.
Awful. Why would you?
Why would you
Someone
fucking
needs
do
to-
that?
Boy, I sure hope someone got fired for this blunder.
Check me up.
I'm gonna bomb your home.
What?
Yep. Hold on. You just gotta get this jump right.
Who? My pussy? Oh. Oh shit!
My
God.
cock and dick!
That
You
was
know
so
what?
easy too.
Maybe the real Ultimate Chicken Horse was the friends we made along the way.
How about I skin you
Exactly.
alive, you whore?
Yeah. Here, now this is how you make the. Oh, whoops. Okay, never mind.
Off to visit your mother.
How did Joey win that?
Because I'm awesome.
Fuck off. You're a trap, Joey?
Yes,
Show
I
me your
am.
boy balls.
I love this giggly goon flower.
Stop saying that.
Alright, who wants to test what happens when you go in there?
This is too real.
Dude, is that Dogs Eating Dog 6 right here?
Dude, where is he?
Yo, he's right here. Look at him.
Whoop. Fuck you! Fuck
Haha.
you!
Yippee! Yippee! Watch me do this epic gamer move.
Fuck. Oh,
How did
what
that
the
not hit
fuck?
you?
How did you pull that off? How the fuck did you pull that off?
I'm epic. I'm epic like that. My giggly goon fire hydrant.
Stop!
I'm getting currently called by my sister. I'll be back.
Game itself is up.
I know what I'm
Fuck
doing.
off.
There is a villain
Fuck.
who I hate more than Mr. Freeze from back in the world.
No way. More than Mr. Freeze?
Only written villains in my day.
Uh-huh.
But this?
Ace?
No, nothing will ever top this.
No way. Laugh
Oh, there we
and
go.
cry. He's the
mash
mashup.
up
No,
guy.
please. Oh, how the fuck did I live? No!
Shit.
I don't
You
know.
created hell.
Probably something relatively easy. No.
What do you mean relatively easy? I'm going through my cock, my penis.
It's CBT'd. He got CBT'd. Fuck.
Cunt.
Oh, yes.
What
No.
the fuck?
What the fuck?
What
How
the
the
hell
fuck?
just happened?
Yes, look, we'll move.
Well, Joey just made it possible.
Oh, my giggly goon nut.
Stop saying. I don't hear about fucking gigglies or clowns or fucking trannies anymore.
Wait, you don't like the Mr. Beast clown?
You're looking pretty cute, Shrike.
Oh, yeah.
Getting up. Oh, fuck you. Yes. Yes. Fuck you. It's mine. Oy vey, my shekel.
It's too easy.
Wait.
Oh,
Maybe he's
oh,
retarded.
Maybe it's
retarded.
not too easy. Maybe it's not too easy.
What the fuck? Joey, please fuck this up. Please, I need points.
Joey.
Please.
Joey, I
Joey,
will give you the
please
channel.
fuck this up.
Joey.
Yeah.
Joe, if you kill yourself, I'll give you a PayPal you 20 bucks. 20 bucks on the spot. On the spot, kill yourself.
Hold B, come on, Joey, hold B,
Hold
something
B.
funny happens.
Just hold B.
Hold
PayPal
B, hold
20
B.
bucks
Joey, hold B
directly
and something
inside of
funny
you. What the fuck?
30 gorillion Jews? No way it happened.
Did I put that in? Someone's gonna die to that fucking bike. I said,
This is my
I hope
giggly
it's
goon
Joey.
one.
Stop saying giggly, stop talking about the fucking giggly goon clown. That's
I'm
not
gonna
funny, that's like
fucking
repeatedly going, this is
lag
like my
switch
John
you.
Wayne Gacy.
I want to
I
have
don't
sex
wanna
with
hear
children and kill
But when
them.
I'm talking about gooning, I'm talking about the funny act of nutting. You're like fucking talking about some tranny pedophile. I don't want any of it.
Sex with children and goon them.
Pop, Joey.
Are you sure?
Fuck! Man, I really be just shit in my hand and smeared it on my wall.
What?
Something like that. Here, if you look all the way to the right over here, there's a fucking dinosaur swallowing a fucking golf ball. That's Naomi trying to swallow my nuts.
Alright, buddy.
Oh,
Ah,
get
fuck.
fucked.
What? He just won?
Yeah, I just
Total
won.
strike victory.
Man, how
the
about I
ultimate
literally
macaw,
fucking
total strike
skin
victory.
you?
Total strike victor and the ultimate macaw.
I'm presenting myself to you. Please enter me.
That's why they call me the one pump chump.
I want to do waterfall.
I want to do wah wah fall.
Choo choo waterfall.
I want to do waterfall.
This is literally me when I'm Huey Willy. This is
Guys,
not
what one is your favorite? Joey T. Raccoon? Manchwike? Fang? Please die. Okay.
It's too easy.
You know what? Why don't you just kill yourself?
He's doing science.
I'm sciencing.
I'm about
Yeah,
to
dude.
build my science.
Build
everywhere,
science, the
bro.
gynecologist, dude. Yeah.
Oh shit! Found my own trap.
Fuck!
Yes!
Me when the flower's kind of a baddie.
Dude, is that Flowey from Undertale?
I was gonna make
about
a
I
joke and then I
literally
decided it
fucking
was
do?
cringe, so I didn't. But I'm glad that you did. Let's fucking go.
Hey guys, I don't find it funny anymore. Can you guys let me win?
This isn't a funny Fang arc anymore.
I'm not feeling quirky right now.
I don't know where I'm putting that, but oh shit! I'm right in my ass too, bro.
Fuck.
Wow.
I
It's a
literally almost died.
bloodbath.
This is what hell looks like.
Fucking baka, bitch.
Is this what gay sex is like?
Yes.
Oh wow, you got pushed onto there.
Fuck. Ah, whatever. It's already inevitable. The total strike victory is
Confident?
just
Are you
around the
confident?
corner.
Are you confident? Are you confident?
I am very
Total
confident.
Fang victory happened last time. What do you think it can happen this time?
Please.
Alright guys, fun game you guys played.
Yeah.
I actually know where all of you live.
Total strike victory.
I wonder what's
You
gonna
thought
happen.
about blowing up your local orphanage?
I wonder what's gonna happen.
Ultimate Chicken Horse is cool and all, but
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
hold up.
You got a little boy pussy on you and it fucking stinks.
I'm totally pokey-pilled right now.
Don't tell him.
Hold up. I gotta
Don't tell
fucking
him.
actually
Don't
wait.
tell
The
him.
AFK warnings come up. Fuck.
If you die, I'll give you 20 bucks. I mean, you guys are fucking stingy ass bastards.
Look, I'll get it from ad revenue. Don't worry. On a video, especially on a video where we say here. Good job. That's beatable.
You're beatable.
My meat is
Domestic-
beatable, straight up.
Bro,
Exactly. Now come
You're
over,
built
come
like-
over here, babe.
Stink pretty good for a little boy. I'm feeling kind of like a, I'm feeling kind of like a, I'm feeling kind of like a, I'm feeling kind of like I'm feeling kind of
I'm feeling kind of saucy.
I'm feeling like my nuts are kind of, you know?
Sexual style?
Yeah.
Kill yourself now.
You know what? Alright. It was a good run, bros, but Joey fucking won, and I said what I said.
Drake. Oh shit, I think he's actually dead.
I hope.
I think he actually fucking killed himself.
I hope. God, jeez, I hate that guy.
What a fucking
His
asshole.
fucking name is
I hope he's
Shrike
in hell.
Anyway. What the fuck?
Yeah, what
I
kind
hope
of
he just
fucking name is
actually
Shrike?
just like shit himself.
Like, I really
Like,
fucking
right
hate
before he
that dude.
died,
Like,
I
I
hope he shot
genuinely
himself.
hope he's dead.
And he like, and he
I
just like
genuinely hope he
shits
fucking
in
killed
his
himself.
pants
Like,
right
what a
now.
fucking faggot, dude.
And he, like, what a fucking loser.
Yeah, exactly.
Have
I
you
know,
ever-
right?
Like a
Fucking
Shrike of
incel
all
piece of
names?
shit.
What the fuck is wrong with him?
Relatable. Then again, Batman and Robin is one of those
Is that-
movies that's so bad.
Yo,
it's
is that the
good.
new member?
So
Is that a replacement?
Is that the new member, Dogs Eating Dog 6?
What's that?
The power of Dogs Eating Dog 6. By the way, he's blocked us.
Yeah.
For ladies and gentlemen at home, Dogs Eating Dog 6 has officially blocked us and none of us know why.
Dumbass. Joey, what are you doing?
Yeah, he just left the lobby, alright?
God damn it, Joey.
Alright, well, we gotta get our new member, Dogs Eating Dog 6, in to replace him. Fucking sucks.
You suck.
I'm
Windmill
gonna
makes my
suck your
cock hard.
penis.
Oh my goodness, gosh.
Oh my goodness gracious. You guys like that?
No.
Hang on, I'm
No,
trying to
no,
position
no,
myself.
I
don't
prefer if
like
that was me. I don't care if something could happen to you. It should have happened to me. Kill yourself.
Don't
Hang
don't
on.
get up there.
Don't get up there, please. Die. In a fire. In the fiery pits of hell.
No, I don't wish that. I just hope you
I wish that for you.
love that for you, Worsty.
What would you blow up? We have nothing. We have nothing!
You know what? An orphanage.
Hey, Shrek. 20 bucks? Load your shotgun and kill yourself right now.
Oh, kill myself for 20 bucks?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Most people do it for free.
Okay, look, you didn't fucking put that on the table.
You guys make my dick hard.
You
I
make
hope so,
mine
baby
hurt.
girl. Yeah, if you win this, you like little boys.
Okay, wait a minute. That's not. I can't, like.
Hold B. Hold
Oh, B,
B.
bitch.
I'm not.
Hold
B for bitch. B for
I'm
bitch,
not-
because that's what
B
you
for
are.
little boys.
Someone's an underdog.
Who? Say their name. Say their name,
Bang. Dude, me gooning to Fang.
No, you don't do that.
You're
That's
right,
not.
I
That's
gooning-
our word.
gooning Naomi.
That's our word. You can't use it.
You could say Guna.
Joey, why are you not losing? Hey,
Joey, why are
Joey.
you looking at my corpse like that, Joey?
Hey, Joey.
Joey?
Ah.
Joey?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, he really is a
Oh,
good
yeah.
giggly goon queen.
Ooh. Oh, you're my giggly goon bitch. Yeah.
Fucking stop.
Hey, Shrike, win this, or you like little girls?
Okay. Fuck you.
He already does. Embryo, give him head.
You
Dude, he
better
makes
win
the
to
embryo
prove
go
that
nuts.
wrong. Oh my God, he's a pedophile.